Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your IP address and server name on Hostinger. Whether you're managing a website or just curious about your server details, this guide will make it super simple, so stay tuned till the end. Access the H panel first, log into your Hostinger account, and head straight to the H panel. This is the central hub where you can manage all your websites and server settings. Think of it as the control room for your online presence. Navigate to your website on the left-hand menu, click on the Websites tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Select the one you want to manage. This will open the dashboard for that specific site. Go to Advanced Settings next, look for the Advanced menu item. This section houses critical settings that aren't used every day but are essential for server-level configurations. Click on it to reveal more options. Access SSH settings. Within the advanced settings, you'll find SSH access. Click on this option. SSH, or Secure Shell, is the tool that allows you to interact directly with your server safely and securely. View IP address and server name. Inside the SSH access page, you'll see the IP section. This is where your server's IP address is displayed. You may also notice the server name, which is important for connecting via SSH or for other administrative tasks. If needed, you can also configure predefined keys for secure access right from this section. Remember, the H panel is your control center, SSH is essential for secure server management, and the advanced section is where you'll find those less obvious but crucial settings. Knowing your IP address and server name is vital for troubleshooting, server management, and advanced website setups. And that's it. You now know exactly how to view your IP address and server name on Hostinger. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.